Okay, you can take a Skyliner from here, and then take a Skyliner back to Hollywood. I can meet you there. Yeah. Well, that's all stuff we can pretty easily figure out. I think 220 is this way. Yeah. Hello, how are you? Alright, good. Alright, walking into Space 220 at Epcot. Hi there, how are you? Good. Helinski?
Here's your boarding pass.
Thank you.
Just wait along this wall.
Sure. You can do that. Sure. Go straight back to your room. Do whatever you want.
I'm gonna take a fat nap here.
Take a nap. Come back for late night.
Then I'll be ready to do like rides and stuff.
Sure.
And then you guys will just have to finish those drinks before you enter this stuff.
Sure.
Space Station. Enjoy the ride.
This is a video I lost from last time.
SV1, you are clear. Initiating in 3, 2, 1, liftoff.
Aboard the Mark V Stellarator, the latest in space elevator design and technology. Today, you'll have a spectacular view of Florida and the Eastern Seaboard. Enjoy the ride. I'll be back in a bit with arrival information.
SV1, we are on our final approach.
Roger that. If you look above, you'll see Centauri Space Station coming into view. Once we dock, gather your belongings and exit through the open air lock. A Space 220 agent will be waiting for you.
SV1, confirmed.
Gravity generator active.
Airlock activated. Docking complete.
Centauri Space Station. Alright, and then you'll head right down that way. The agents will
Trouble focusing. I just lost this. I lost all my footage from last time. How you doing? It's Helinski. You got it. Thanks. We got the corner last time. Can we get anything in the middle by any chance, or is it already set?
I have you guys at a pretty good seat.
Oh, good. Sweet.
Let me know if it's good, and then we'll go from there. Sounds good?
Sounds good already.
So how's our day going so far? Pretty good?
Good, yeah. How about you?
Pretty good.
Yeah? You know, I didn't know this place didn't open until after the right. Thank you very much.
Of course. Let me just get these extra ones up quick.
Sure.
Guys. Alright, the menu's going to be on that QR code right in the middle for you. And I'll have the server out here in just a second for you guys. Sounds
Thank
good?
you so much.
Alright, you guys be good.
Nice work.
What's that? Yep. Just ask for it.
Gluten-free pasta? No, we just have the rice noodles for them.
There is a spacecraft in our window.
Yeah. Probably because we're on space. It'd be so cool if we figured out a device where we can actually go to space as like an activity.
They have it now.
What?
They do have that.
What do you mean?
Haven't you seen the head of Virgin Voyages just went to space? Haven't you been watching that all these rich people are going to space now as like a thing to do? Yeah.
I wish.
Welcome back. Watch your step as you enter this elevator. We will be on our way shortly. Your journey back to our will be a smooth and quick.